Hi guys, I'm Kelvin from Raw Coding, and today I'll be discussing the various video options that you can use for your Wix website. Hey guys, I'm currently in the Wix editor and I want to add a video to my website. To add a video, press the plus button on the left, select video, and you'll have a variety of video options to choose from. You can use Wix's video platform, but you can also use a few other video platforms and embed them into your website. So you have YouTube, you have Vimeo and Facebook, and these are really easy to embed. But what we'll do, we'll start with the single video player used by Wix, drag it in, resize it. To change the video, select the video and press change video. I'm just going to choose a free video from Wix for today. I'm just going to choose the chocolate truffle video. And when we preview it and press play, it will just play like that. So if we pause it, go back to editor. With Wix's video platform, you have a few unique options. For example, click on the video and press layout. You can also choose a video title. I'm just going to say chocolate truffles, and it displays the title quite nicely in the center of the video. If I click on the video again and press design, you can choose an overlay color. So you can actually choose a orange if you'd like, and you can select the overlay opacity of the color, which is the transparency. Next, you can also add a border. So if we choose an orange border again. Next, under shadow, you can also enable a shadow to give your video an added visual feature, so you can play around with this and see if it's appropriate for your website. Under text, you can choose the title color, which we created earlier, and you can choose the title color to be blue, for instance, which also colors the play button as well. You can choose the font, and you can also choose the font size, but as you can see, this only affects the title of the video and not the play button. If we click on the video again and go on settings, you can choose to play the video on loop. So when we go on preview and press play and go to the end, it will just loop the video through again. So this concludes using Wix's video platform to add a video to your website. It's worth mentioning that I have had a bit of trouble using this video platform on my personal website. Customers have complained that the video doesn't play on mobile devices, so you may want to consider using the YouTube or Vimeo video options for your website. I'm also going to show you how to embed a video from YouTube onto your website. To use a YouTube video option, press add. YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion and Facebook all work the same way, but we'll just use YouTube for now. So I'm going to select YouTube, drag it in, just resize it quickly. To change the video, select change video, and over here you can just input the URL of your YouTube video. You also have the option to search for a YouTube video, so let's say coding, and you can choose the first one over here, press add, and it will change it for you. If we click on the video and press the design button, you can also select a video frame. You can customize the frame design by pressing this button here. You can choose the border color, aka the frame color. You can also choose the width. This is similar to the options you have for the Wix video player as well. You can also add a corner radius, if this is the kind of appearance that you like. And you can also add a shadow, as discussed previously. Finally, you also have a few artistic options to choose from. If we press add, go on video again. So these options are a few video gallery designs that you can basically add videos to. This is very similar to my video describing picture galleries, and it works in the same way. I have a link for galleries in this video's description below. So if you scroll down to video box, you can see that you have a few unique designs to choose from. So you can choose your own videos for these, but the shape of the video window, such as this one, which is an arch, will stay the same. So to use these, just drag them into the editor like we did previously. If you just hover over them, you can have a quick preview to what they look like. And if you go down, you can also choose some transparent videos. So this is great for product shots if you want to show off one of your products and you don't want a background which distracts users from what you're trying to sell. Finally, there are some third-party apps that you can use. These are all free to use, but there are restrictions on the accumulated minutes from your viewers on these platforms. So if 50 people watch a total of 500 minutes of a single video, and your allowance is 500 minutes in total, the video will simply not play until your allowance is refreshed. It doesn't give you many minutes, but the actual hosting platform is really quick and reliable. It's worth taking a look at these, as they are easy to use and do have their individual benefits. So this concludes adding a video to your Wix website. If you are interested in joining Wix, please do click on the link in the description below. It basically tells Wix that you joined through me, and it helps me out a lot. For more tutorials on Wix, please check out my YouTube channel and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.